of business that as we grow jobs at this airport. The county executive, Mr. Steve Newhouse.
Thank you, Ed. Thank you, Brian Lilly and Ed Harrison, the trifecta. We make this great team, and when you leave the air show today, we want you to check and look at the schedule because we're going to do this again next year. And echoing what the Consulate General said, a month and a half ago I was in Iraq serving with our men and women, and alongside us was our friends from Great Britain. The United States has no better friend in this world than the United Kingdom. So we're honored to have you guys here. We're going to have an awesome day. And thank you to everybody that's here, especially our veterans.
All right, thank you. And Steve, thank you for everything that Orange County does for the air show. And this would not be possible without the support of the county. So thank you so much. Just a really quick note, I do want to say thanks to all our volunteers that are out here today. If you see a volunteer, please thank them because this show would not be possible without them. Thank you so much to all of our sponsors. Again, could not do it without you and could not do it without the incredible advocacy here in Orange County to make this show possible. I want to thank the U.S. Navy Blue Angels for being here today. Thank you so much for coming back. Everybody looking forward to seeing the Blue Angels perform. And the F-35 Lightning II demo team from our own U.S. Air Force, the Army West Point parachute team, thank you guys so much for that wonderful jump today. And all the other performers, we're looking forward to an amazing day with amazing weather and amazing performers. So thank you all for coming out today. Enjoy the show.
All right, Mr. Brian Lilly, now turn your attention to the right. Speeding in from up in the Great Lakes, the one, the only, Mr. Michael Wiskus. Mike Wiskus. Continuing skyward, watch this guy. He has been on a rocket ride his entire life. Here this morning, now this afternoon for a quick preview of things to come today. Mike Wiskus, though, he's a husband, he's a father, and he's a grandfather. He still flies this way. Watch this guy from Lucas Oil. Don't take your eyes off him as he makes his way down here to the left. Mike Wiskus, one of the guys that is just so energetic in all of this. We'll sing later on, I guarantee it. Mike Wiskus, a fan of Steve Webster's. Watch this, though. Mike Wiskus, every time he starts this series of intense staff roles, I can't help but think he's having a great time. And Mike, I don't know if you can hear this or if you're even listening, but we are sure enjoying this today.
I'll thank you.
Awesome job. Mike Wiskus high in the sky with the Lucas Oil red fire. When Mike's not flying, he's working up there in the Great Lakes at his workshop. Lucas Oil, though, his main sponsor. Performance petroleum-based products there from Lucas Oil, the best in the business. They got all kind of shine products for your hot rods. Lucas Oil can take care of it. Great additives as well for your engine. You can run it just like Mike's. Watch this thing. Here we go. Little orbit. All the way around the line. Now this part is what gets me. Watch what Mike's about to do. Mike is a big fan of ice cream, especially with Gentleman George up here, the Air Boss. By the way, do we have any pilots out here in the crowd? Just show of hands here. Do you have any pilots here? Well, somebody came in here earlier today. I don't think they read the note of George about how to fit. But it looks like, I could be wrong, we might have somebody else coming in here. Does that, George, you tracking that on the radar there? Wait, who is this guy over here on the right? Do we know? I'm not even sure who it is. Let's see. Hey, Mike, you see that other airplane up there, don't you?
I don't see nothing. Where are we at? I can't see anything.
He's right in front of you. Hang on a second. Mike, just so you know, that guy's aileron just fell off. See if we can reach him. George is trying to talk to him. Yeah, folks, keep your heads up. Hello? Yeah, who's this? You said Chuck Dramamine?
Yes, that's my name. I'm here to show off my airplane. What do you think of her?
Well, your aileron just fell off.
I built her.
Where'd you build it? Chuck, did you hear me? I asked where'd you build it?
I built her in prison, in the workshop. Got her out one piece at a time. But, not really falling apart.
Yeah, it doesn't look too good. Do you know what you're doing? Do you know how to fly?
No, I don't, but I got my own book. I really don't need your help.
Got your own book?
Yeah.
Okay, well, listen, there's an air show going on. If you could hurry up and read about landing, that would be great.
I got a problem.
What kind of problem?
Gas pedal, brake pedal, not working right.
No, those are the rudder pedals. They make your nose go back and forth like that. Just hold them steady.
10 years ago, I didn't know how to do that.
Yeah, perfect, right there. Just keep it down, keep it down.
No, page 3 says, you're right, it says rudder pedals right here on page 3. It says, yeah, they make you go, yeah, back and forth.
Yeah. No, that's yaw. It yaws the nose back and forth. But look, come back around and do that again and just chop that throttle. Turn your engine off and you'll land.
That's that page yet.
Well, hurry up and get to that page.
Page 3, there's something about a stick here.
And that's that stick between your legs.
Okay, I'm reading. The thing's in front of my face. Where am I?
You're right there on the runway. There you go. Well, come on. Just turn the engine off and you'll glide right back down.
Just kill me now.
What just fell out?
My book.
Your book just fell out.
Oh, no.
Your book is stuck to your tail, I think.
Again, over.
Yeah, I think your book is stuck to your tail.
Well, I'm going to go back and get it.
Yeah, no, don't do that. Whatever you do, don't do that, Chuck.
Up.
Yeah, no, pull up, Chuck.
Oh, I think I just did. Went on a limb there.
Yeah, you did. And don't hit any of those airplanes out there either. Just come back around and land on the runway.
So easy for you to say. So, could you give me a little instruction things that you said you were so good at?
Oh, now you want it, huh? All right, just hold what you got right there. Hold that stick. The other stick, Chuck. There you go. Now point the nose down. Perfect. Now you got it. Just let go of everything and just stay on the runway. You just hit your wing.
That's a wing there.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah, it is, Chuck. Okay, come back around. Try that again. Maybe you can do it this time. What is he doing, Jay? They don't pay us enough for this.
I'm so wasted.
Yeah, that Steve Newhouse guy, he's from Iraq. We just got back from Iraq. Maybe we'll send him out there to get these guys. Yeah, I'm still here.
How do I do?
Just land. Land the airplane right there. There you go. Chop that power and just come on in and land. You got it. You're on the deck. What are you doing now? Yeah, well now your wheel fell off.
I got a wheel problem.
Yeah, you do. He writes his own material, I think. All right, let's see. Can you come back around and try that one more time?
Can't talk right now.
What are you doing?
Paperwork.
What kind of paperwork?
Very important paperwork.
Okay. Well, we're here when you need us.
Okay.
What is that?
Kind of busy.
I can see that.
So busy.
Still doing paperwork, huh?
Yeah.
Sound like you're working pretty hard up there.
Gotta get that back.
Yeah. Oh, that kind of paperwork.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. George, you watching this? The guy just threw his toilet paper right out of the airplane, though.
Somebody done been to the Walmart.
Still need a little help from you.
All right, I'm here for you. I can't help you, though. Not with that kind of paperwork.
What do I do?
Then pull up again. There you go, just a little bit. You'll land right there. Okay, let's seriously work on this. Come back around and pull the power off. You got to slow down a little bit to land.
Getting better.
Yeah, you are. Look at this. Poor fella. Come on back around. Bring it around here to the left.
To the left.
There you go. You got it. Uh-oh. Skidding around that turn. There you go. Lower the nose. Keep it coming down. There you go. You got it now. Chuck, you got it. Perfect landing. Yeah, Chuck Dramamine. Can you turn right there? There's some folks from the FAA that'd like to speak to you.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, get your